Good morning, guys. My name is Rich Guzman, and thank you so much for stopping by this video today. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be heading out that way, out to the ocean, and it's just a beautiful, gorgeous day today. I want you guys to see if you can see it. The lighting is not really showing you. There we go. Oh, it's so beautiful out there today. But we're going to be heading out towards that way over to Buye Beach, which is an amazing, amazing beach. And I just want you guys to come along for the ride today, you know, just hang out with us and enjoy the fun. All right, let's go. All right, we stopped here at, let's see, Colmado Buena Fe Mini Market, right? That's what it is?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, we actually just stopped here to get some water, get hydrated. Let's see, Ace is coming right now with some water. Let's see, is that water nice and cold?
Very cool.
Oh, here we go.
And the gentleman paid
Look at
for it.
that. Look at that, huh?
It's free.
Really?
The gentleman behind me paid for it.
So we got free water. How awesome is that?
That was kind of him.
Yeah, life is great, isn't it? And say hello.
Hey,
We just got some free water. You want to tell the story of that?
Yeah, I was in line and the guy was letting me buy because they are so nice and friendly here in Puerto Rico. And I was like, I'm looking for water. He was like, yeah, I'm looking for water too. And he was like, I'm getting my water, which is beer. So he bought 3 cans of beer and he sees me looking for water. So I got the water and we're standing in line and he's cracking jokes to the cashier. And I was doing the feedback. There he is right there. And I was like looking for my credit card to pay for the water. He was like, I got it. It's all right. I got it. I was like, oh, well, thank you.
All right, guys, let's continue on our journey and we will see you in a little bit. What's up, guys? We are here. We arrived at Buye Beach. Ow! I am so excited. This place is a bomb. Look at this. Look at that clear water, man. Caribbean clear water. Huh? Love this place, man. Love this place. See, this is what it takes when you make a decision and you say, you know what? I'm sick and tired of my 9 to 5. I'm sick and tired of living the rat race and, you know, being dictated when I can, you know, take a break or take a vacation and things like that. But I want to share this with you and let you know that this is one of the spots that we go to every single week, right? I mean, almost every day, really. We love it out here. It's gorgeous. So without further ado, let's get the drone up in the sky. All right, guys, we just got back from Buye. Beautiful, beautiful time. I love that water. Like I said, it's like crystal clear turquoise water, and you can see the bottom, and the sand is so soft on your feet. But right now, we're gonna be heading over and getting something to eat for lunch. We are starved, and we already stopped home. We showered, and we're ready to have some lunch. And I know you're hungry.
I am starving.
You're starving, huh?
Hungry.
You're starving? Here. Tell them how hungry you are.
I'm starving like Marvin.
She's like T-Rex, man.
Oh, I got to eat.
You don't give her food, man.
No.
She turns into a tyrant. I'm telling you. So let me just pull up over here. Really cool place, guys. I'm going to show you. It's really, really awesome. Super excited. This place is awesome. This is called Cafe Wasabi, right? And this place cooks homemade, fresh meals. I'm talking like, I don't know about you, but the food over here, it has flavor, okay? Remember when I came here temporarily to visit and I was looking for a place before I decided to move here? I actually went back home for a little while, which was Massachusetts, and the food just had no flavor, man. I didn't want to eat. You know what I mean? Maybe that's why I'm skinny, because I went without eating for a little while when it comes to eating in Massachusetts. But now that I'm here, I'm eating a lot more because the food here is just so fresh, has so much flavor. I mean, look at the hospitality here. Look at the people. Look at Ace, who's about to order for us. Yeah, look at that. And guys, this here is one of the most beautiful spots in Boquerón, Puerto Rico, right? In Cabo Rojo. Now, in Cabo Rojo, we have the most beaches, literally, than the whole island. Now, the whole island has beaches everywhere, but Cabo Rojo has the most beaches in the whole town, right? Like today, we just went to Buye. Buye was just amazing, right? And we can go over here. There's another beach over there. There's another beach over there. There's tons of beaches everywhere here, and you guys could have a great time. All right, we're in the Gladiator and ready to go over here. Let me tell you something, guys. That meal was amazing. From wasabi, I'm telling you right now, I can't stress it enough. I highly recommend you guys try it out. If you're ever out in Boquerón, Puerto Rico, make sure you try it. Their food is home cooked, fresh, amazing. Right now I'm looking at Ace right now. You can see that she's feeding the cats. Yeah, there goes the cats. Mother hen over here feeding all the cats. Got to keep them healthy, right? That's actually the neighbor's cats. They're on vacation right now, and they'll be back probably another couple weeks. And but she's feeding the cats right now, and we're gonna be heading out into Maya West, which is more of more populated, and we're gonna go do some shopping and get some meat and some pasta, stuff like that, and looking forward to it. All right, guys, so we stopped at this place over here. It's called Pollo Tropical. I don't know if you see it. Actually, it's really pronounced Pollo Tropical, but that's in Spanish. But I'll tell you, I just had some soup here. This is like really homemade soup. It has like rice, cilantro, potatoes, chicken, some red peppers, green peppers. Really, really, really nutritious, really, really good. The way Puerto Ricans make it, they make it really, really good. You can't find this anywhere in the States, you know, not this kind of soup. At a drive-thru? Nah, I don't think so. And what are you having?
Pechuga.
Pechuga?
Papa majada.
And what's that in English?
Y plátano maduro.
And what's that in English?
In English is chicken breast, mashed potatoes with red potatoes, and sweet plantains.
And what are you having, Angel?
Chicken fingers.
Chicken fingers, chicken tenders.
Yeah.
With French fries. Pretty simple. Chicken tenders, French fries. One of the things that we do, guys, is we actually close deals online. We are affiliate marketers, and we are also coaches, mentors, and we do a lot of consulting for businesses, local businesses. We also consult one-on-one basis, and we do a lot of things online. Actually, And that's how I became very successful, is really focusing on the affiliate marketing side of things first, learning the skill sets and getting mentored by some serious coaches out there to learn how to mentor and coach people. I always said, if you want to be a coach or a mentor, make sure you're getting great results in your business before you start coaching and mentoring, because that's how you build your credibility. As you see right now, I go over to 8th. She is already working with people, closing the deal. She's always working, right? It's so funny though, you know, people think you can't really build a business, you know, on the go with freedom and do things like that, but it's really all a mindset when you really think about it. And understanding your time is valuable. And you know, we have our time for ourselves, but when it's business time, it's actually business time. Hey guys, we're here at Maya West Mall and we are getting some green smoothies. It's a place called La Fruteria, and the Fruteria gives you a lot of green smoothies. Actually, here she is right now. Going on. There you go. All right, look at this. Oh, well, you can't even see because the napkin's in front. But right here, look at this. And if I look at the top there, they got a little pineapple, banana, and a little piece of carrot. Look at that, huh? And then we got the bananas. Yeah, it's always 2 pieces of pineapple at the top, which is really good. So let me take a sip. Let's see here. Oh my God, that is the best tasting green juice I've tried on the island. This is the best, no doubt. And I've tried a few. And back home in the States, this is still better. It's really good. Babe, what do you think of juice?
Well, first of all, let me clean my hands with some
Oh,
sanitizer.
yeah, good old COVID, huh? Oh my God, huh? What you got over there, Angel?
Pina colada.
What?
Pina colada.
Pina colada? Nice. You take a sip?
Yes.
How is it?
It's good.
Yeah? Give me a thumbs up for that? You see, when Angel gives it a thumbs up, that means that it's good. If he gives it a thumbs down, that means it's bad. So, he likes it. Yes, he does. So yeah, guys, we stopped over here at the Maya West Mall and just get a green juice because it's called La Fruteria, which is like the fruit place, I guess, right, in English? Right? The fruit place?
Yeah, fruteria, fruit juice.
It's really good, guys. All right, guys, we are going to wrap up this vlog session here, and it's been an amazing day, and I want to thank you guys for coming along this ride with us today. It's been really awesome. We got some meat in the back, we got some steaks, we got some filet mignon, we got some what else did we get? We got some fruits. Right, we got some blueberries, some cherries, and what was the other one? Yeah, grapes, blueberries. Yeah, grapes, blueberries, and cherries. And really good. And oh, you got hamburger meat too.
I did. Oh, and tortillas.
And tortillas, right? Little what is that in English?
Corn tortillas.
Corn tortillas. There you go. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. Again, thank you for coming along the ride, and we'll see you on a new video very soon, guys. Take care.